Ready to revolutionize your video creation process? Let's dive in. Say goodbye to tedious editing with the power of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring the top 7 AI tools that will transform your video creation game. First up, Lumen 5. Turn your blog posts into engaging videos effortlessly. Let AI handle the script, visuals, and audio. Next, Raw Shorts. Create stunning explainer videos with AI-driven animation. Choose from a variety of templates and characters. Then we have InVideo. Edit like a pro with AI-powered templates, effects, and music. No prior experience needed. Pictory is next. Convert text into high-quality videos with AI narration and visuals. Meet Synthesia. Generate videos with AI avatars and templates. Perfect for engaging content. Render Forest is designed for professionals. Customize with advanced features and create top-notch videos. Finally, Wibbits. Transform text into short-form videos with AI narration and visuals. These tools will revolutionize your video creation journey. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe now for more AI trends. Sai.